I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates reversed direction on Friday and moved back to where they had been at Thursday's close. It was partly the result of bargain hunting by investors who decided Treasury yields near 9-month highs were now an attractive place to put their money. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage closed at 4.75% with 2 7/8 points, down a quarter of a point from Thursday, for a savings of $250 on a $100,000 loan. The 5% rate is at 1.5 points, also down a quarter of a point from a day earlier. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was down a quarter of a point as well, with the 4.25% rate now at 1.75 points. The 4.38% rate is at 1.18 points. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. The University of Michigan said on Friday that national consumer sentiment rose near the end of March from levels earlier in the month, but sentiment was unchanged when compared to February. On Monday, we will see last month's consumer spending figures, which take into account both goods and services. A slight decrease from January is expected. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Saturday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.